It's Monday morning with the start of a new week. I've been reflecting over the weekend on a quote I heard recently. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Replace expectation with appreciation. I'll say that again. Learn to replace expectation with appreciation. I think as someone who's a business owner, previous senior leader, quite ambitious, type A, high-performing kind of mindset, it's really easy to get caught up in expectations of yourself, expectations of other people, high standards, the desire for high performance, and that is absolutely critical because that fuels your success. But one of the challenges for type A people, high performers, is this continuous expectation, and that expectation creates pressure, continual pressure. And one of the ways that I deal with that pressure is to switch between expectation and appreciation and gratitude, and just noticing the things that are already going well, either in my business or in my life or in relationships, in any area really, but taking that time to connect with what is already working, what is already perfect, what is already good enough, appreciate where I am, have gratitude just for everything that's happening, whether that's, the relationship I have with my family, which I am incredibly grateful for, relationship I have with my clients, with my friends, with people in my network, just the ability to be able to record videos like this and be connected to the various people that I'm blessed to be part of in terms of networks. But I just wanted to share this with you as a pause for thought really, and to get you to think about as we start our weeks. Really important that we get off to the right start. I find that one of the principles that underpins my productivity is that sense of appreciation and gratitude, because it sets me up already to have a feeling of success and achievement without that having to be something that I do. So it puts me in a really positive frame of mind. When I start to think about the things I appreciate and I'm grateful for, it also energizes me. It makes me feel good about everything that's happening around me, and that state, that emotional state, the way I think affects how I feel, remember, impacts how I can act, the things I'm now capable of. So I just offer that to you as a reflective opportunity for thought on a Monday. What could you replace expectations for to become appreciative about? Replacing expectation for appreciation. I hope that's a useful Monday morning pause for thought for you, and I look forward to speaking to you later on in the week on the next Focus Growth video.